I'm Luis.
And I'm Ralph.
And today we're going to be upgrading the suspension on this 96 Impala.
So I can hold up your tortas at home. What's up, baby?
It looks like this suspension can hold up to like 3,000 pounds.
3,000 pounds, that equivalates to all the tortas we could fit in my ride, baby.
That's about what, 10
tortas?
10 tortas?
12 on a good day. Oh,
Alright, how long does it take for Ralph to open the hood? Oh.
Boy, that's just fooling you. Got a K&N cold air intake. It adds like 5,000 horsepower, bro.
Oh, you actually do? Alright, if you have to pick the Ring Girl or Shoddy Bay.
Ring Girl. No question about it.
What the Sigma?
Freeze. Barbosa. Ralph Barbosa. Dun-dun, dun-dun.
Special Agent 069.
Boy, you ain't ready for that, bro. Oh shit. Show them what we're doing, bro.
Alright, so we're gonna take out these two nuts. Bolts.
Two nuts.
Bam.
Can't nobody get them two nuts quicker than this fool.
Look at that.
Oh, this fool wasn't lying. Just popped right out. Look at that thing. Nice and yellow. Don't lose these. Don't lose these bad boys. We're gonna put these over here in that drawer. Yeah. Kobe.
Oh. Alright, you got it.
If Batman doesn't reveal his true identity, somebody in Gotham dies every night. So I'm going a little crazy. You didn't watch that, right? The Dark Knight?
Nah, I didn't.
This fool hasn't seen any movies, bro.
Nah, I haven't seen it.
You gotta watch Batman, bro. He's all like, I don't want to kill you. What would I do without you?
Has anyone, you been diagnosed with ADHD?
ADHD?
Yeah.
Nah, bro.
No.
I just got diagnosed with D, big donk, booty, donk, dang, dingo, hammer. Just brushing the old teeth here, knocking all the barnacles off. Had a lot of dirt on here. Very dirty, bro. Don't like it. Do not like it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna knock all this off, and this, and all this right here is all gonna be candy. It's gonna be like candy orange, like a Lamborghini orange. Some people say don't waste that much money, but what do I care? I have it, so like, what does it matter? I'm gonna knock off all this dust, bro, so that we could take off some of the weight and add horsepower to the ride in general.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. More tortas, huh?
Oh yeah, bro. Torta efficiency. That's what it's all about. The torta mobile. Gonna you turn.
Alright, the outfit of the day today, we got white pants, Air Forces.
Look, bro, this is not about outfits, bro. Right here is about hard work, all right? It don't matter that I'm wearing Gucci frames on my glasses right now. It don't matter that I'm wearing some...
Are they Gucci?
I'm not gonna say if they are or not, bro. It don't matter in this shop, bro. Like, no, they are a lot smaller ones.
Oh, what the f***?
What?
Look at that. That's not right, bro.
It's not supposed to be hanging like that?
No, there's a bracket that holds.
That holds them right there?
Yeah. It's right here, dude. Is it this thing? Is this one? All bent out. You see how it's all bent?
Is that what this is right here?
Yeah, that's what that is.
Oh,
right here. So that's not supposed to be like that.
That might be another reason I felt it kind of wobbly and shit.
Yeah. I don't know, if I was a shop and I saw what I saw back there, I wouldn't let you drive off like that, you know? With the real control arm, but I'm not a shop, bro.
All these places are
They don't. It's f***ed up. Maybe I should just have a shop and just be just have morals.
Nah, that's gay. And then they make out.
No, they're scissoring, bro.
Oh, nice. Oh, bro. Fuck. Bleep that out, bro. I don't want the fans to hear me cussing.
Ready?
Too much mercy.
Yeah, it's too much mercy.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that, governor. Right here, right?
Yeah.
Ah! How could you do this to me? Other hand. Do me a favor, bro. Hold
Yeah.
that right here.
Yeah. Ooh. You did all that?
All by myself, bro. Didn't even have to call my uncle in here or nothing. That's not my uncle.
There's just some guy.
It's just some guy.
Chinese man off the street.
This is the Chinese guy.
Chinese guy off the street.
All right.
So
Well, that was the hard part, bro.
Yeah. You say, don't say that, bro. Every time she says this is the hard part, the harder part comes out.
You need to stop saying that.
Who said we're gonna have a drive-by tonight? It's already 11:30 at night.
All right. Well, actually, the fun part is getting that spring out.
This.
Oh, what? Be careful, bro. It's gonna shoot out. Yeah. Get a long one of these, and just like look away. You'll be fine, bro. Ooh.
Oh shit.
Came out. Damn. You did all that by yourself?
Yeah, bro. Didn't even have to have nobody kick it or nothing. You know what these are for? What they like to use these afterwards?
What?
Is you put them on the back, on the bottom of like your boots. And you go right here, and if somebody's like on top of a building, you just hop on and just...
Damn. Look at that. Wisdom. Damn, now the easy part is over.
Crease, you know what I'm saying?
They look brand new, bro.
Hey, bro, worry about your boots over there, bro. Worry about your boots, don't worry about what I got on me. Worry about what you got on you.
Ah, dude, we f***ed up.
What happened?
Lower it.
Ah. What if I was actually like undercover boss, bro?
Who? Undercover boss?
Yeah.
For who?
For social media, content creator.
Hey, what? 12?
I don't even know what day it is anymore.
Yeah.
I honestly didn't think we were gonna have both of these on by today, but we got the struts on there. Nice strong springs. Look at that. Can't move it. And I'm super strong, bro. But also learning that I need some new brake pads, and I might as well take this opportunity to get some new rotors, the ones with the holes in them for aerodynamics and cooling capabilities.
Oh, yeah.
And yeah, probably clean all this up. We cleaned up some of this over here too. Had a whole bunch of gunk and dirt and grime and goblins and ghouls and witches and wizards, and had to cast some spells and do some exorcism stuff. But bro, we got it on there, bro. Another good day at the shop.
Hell yeah. This thing's gonna be slam.
Hell yeah.